Scared me, y'all. Scared me. Scared me, y'all. So make sure you always being you. How y'all doing? Y'all good? I'm good. So we're not gonna talk no more. Let's get right into this video. Alright guys, so as you can tell by the title, it's about to get a little litty up in this thing. So what I'm about to do today, guys, is I'm about to try every single sauce that's in the refrigerator with some nuggets. So I'm going to put the nuggets on, and then I'll be right back with you guys at the spot, okay? Alright guys, so I am back. As y'all can see, I got my crispy little nuggets right here. And with me I have, well, what I did was, all the sauces that I done tried with the nuggets, I took them out. And these are the sauces that I have not tried with nuggets before. So I got mayo, Red Hot Original Frank's hot sauce. Got some Italian dressing. Got some queso cheese. Got some picante sauce, mild. Some basically buffalo wing sauce. Okay. And this is some Carolina Tangy Gold Cattleman's barbecue sauce. I never even saw this before. That's why I was reading like I'm retarded. And then I got some Dijon mustard. Looks like basically look like honey mustard. Right there. And I have a special sauce that I got from a pregnant woman. Well, she with her nuggets, and we're not gonna show y'all that shit. Comment down below if you can think what sauce I got over there for that. Alright guys, so what I did was I moved all the sauces to the side. Oh, also I got me some Coke to drink. I'm not gonna spit nothing out on the, on the food, because that's nasty. I'm just gonna have to swallow it down if I don't like it and drink me some Coke with it. Alright, first thing first, we're gonna try this mayonnaise. I'm gonna actually rate it for y'all. Before I taste it, mayonnaise and nuggets, mayonnaise not bad, and nuggets are not either. So I'm actually get this 8 out of 10 right now. And I'm gonna re-rate it when I finish. This is like a, excuse me. This is just like a sandwich, like a regular chicken sandwich with mayonnaise on it. What am I thinking? I'm hungry too, y'all, because I ain't ate today. Delicious. What's a 10? Alright guys, so next we got this Frank's Red Hot Original Hot Sauce. I don't even do hot sauce, but we're going to try it. Ooh. Uh-oh. Ooh. I'm already coughing, Lord. Ooh. Not bad. 10 out of 10. Next, we're going to try Italian dressing. What I'm going to do with this one is I'm going to pour some over in this, because it's a little liquidy and I don't want it to be all over me. What I rate this before I eat it is, I'm going to give this a 5, because I don't know. It's not bad, but it's not something I would do. It's not bad though. I'm going to give it a 7. So, next we're going to do the queso cheese. I'm gonna get this an 8. I'm gonna get this an 8. 8 out of 10. And I'm gonna try it and then I'm gonna see. It's not bad. I'm gonna keep it an 8 out of 8. I mean 8 out of 10. The next sauce we're gonna try is Buffalo Wild Wing sauce. Why did I say Buffalo Wild Wing? How do I even know this is Buffalo Wing sauce? Y'all, that was slap up my nose. Woo, hold on. Scared me, y'all. Scared me. Okay. Breathe. Okay. Y'all look how much I put on there. Y'all see it? Okay. Hold on. Father, in the name of Jesus, Lord, this thing choke me. Lord, please unchoke me. In Jesus' name I pray, amen. Let's get it. First, I'm going to rate this. I forgot to rate. I was so scared. Okay, I'm going to rate this. I'm going to get this, because I don't do sauce like this. So I'm going to get this a 5 out of 10. Y'all know what? Ooh. Hold on. I'm going to get this. Ooh. Even though it's strong and I... Ooh. I'm going to give this. I'm going to get this 8 out of 10. Because this is good. This is bomb. I ain't even going to lie. Even though it's real high and it got me. Still got me. I'm going to get it an 8 out of 10. Because that was good. Alright, so then we're going to try this picante sauce. Picante sauce is good, actually. I love picante sauce. And we finna see how it's going to taste. So, okay, clean this out. So let me pour a little bit in here. Because I had to get up and clean it out. Let me dip it and see. Alright, y'all. Got me some on now. Next we're going to try the Cattleman's barbecue sauce. Never, ever, even, ever. So, this is what it look like. And we finna see. I'm going to rate this a 7 out of 10. Make it a 10 out of 10. Oh, it's so good, y'all. The sauce is so sweet. So we got the Dijon. I'm probably not even saying that right. The Dijon mustard, which is like honey mustard. I love honey mustard. Love honey mustard, but I know this ain't exactly honey mustard. I'm gonna rate this I'm gonna give this a 5 out of 10. Okay, cause I ain't even gonna put that much. 5 out of 10. Let's go. Oh! Woo! Y'all, I'm sorry. I tried my best not to. I almost spit it out, y'all. Oh! I do not recommend that. All the sauces that I recommend is mayonnaise, the hot sauce, the hold on, the Cattleman's barbecue sauce, the buffalo sauce, the dip, but you know, not too much of it. Italian sauce, but not too much of it. What I do not recommend is the Dijon mustard and the picante. I rate this Dijon mustard a two. This is a thing on two. This is disgusting. Okay, and picante, that's a zero. That's a zero. Alright guys, so the last sauce that I have, the last condiment that I have is, drum roll please. This is from a pregnant person, by the way. Jelly! I'm about to rate this a 1. Camera, you be scaring me like somebody up in here. Jelly, got my nugget, and let's get it. Y'all. This is good. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me trying all the sauces in my refrigerator. Comment down below some more ideas. Give me some lit things to do. It is October the 4th. And Halloween time! Relax, man. I did want to say thanks to everyone for getting me to my 100 subscribers. Yes, your girl has hit 100. It's 100, I think, and 8 subscribers. We on the way. Okay. We on the way up, guys. I just want to say thank y'all for getting me to 100 subscribers. Thank God for being with me, for being with y'all. This journey. Crew, what it do? Hey. Okay, not there. Like this video, comment on this video, tell somebody to just come be with the crew. We lit. We do what it do, cause we the B Blue crew. Alright guys, you know what I always say, put God first in your life and everything that He has touched your life, it will win. Have a blessed rest of the day, y'all. Love you guys.